Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
Let me talk my shit.
Yeah. What's going on, J Squad? Plum Squad, it's your girl J. You already know. Welcome back to J Fitness Vibes, where there's a whole lot of great vibes going on, you guys. Today is day 2 of my 30-day challenge, 30 minutes. So it's 30 days, 30 minutes, you know what I'm saying? And basically, what we do is I'm gonna give you 30 full days of workouts, not back to back, not every other day. It's not even a set schedule. It's making time for them. When we make time for it, we're gonna count down the days. But any day that we do go work out, we're gonna go work out for 30 minutes. Now, I just wanna let you guys know that I went away with my Planet Fitness membership, and then I had a membership to the YMCA, and my daddy is going away with that because ain't nobody really using it, I guess. So I'm really just gonna do workouts like either at home, in the park, by the lake. It's pretty much just gonna be workouts without weights, but I do have weights at home. So when I do work at home, I will use weights. But for example, like when I'm not at home, when I'm like in the park, by the lake and stuff like that, it's not gonna be using weights. So I'm gonna just give you different type of workouts that you can do on your own, so it's no excuses like, Jay, I don't have that equipment, I don't have weights, I don't have a membership, I can't go to the gym. It ain't gonna be no excuses with me. So hope that you like this video. Comment down below, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you also go subscribe to my main YouTube channel, which is J VibZ. I love and appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your motivation, your dedication, and your consistency, okay? And like I say, try to push yourself. Give it your all, give it your best. So right now I came to one of my getaway spots. This used to be one of my getaway spots. I used to just always come here and just like clear my mind, but I kind of like exposed my secret getaway spot one day, you know what I'm saying, because somebody was looking for me and I had to tell them where I was at. So it's been a while since I've been here, but let's go on a walk and let's just find out where we're gonna, you know, set up and work out at.
talk.
Yeah.
Let me talk my shit.
Uh-huh.